नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो. In last video we have studied the five kingdom systems of classification under the classification of plants. In that we have discussed there are five kingdoms according to the Whittakers. Which are these? First kingdom is Monera, second is Protista, third is Plantae, fourth kingdom is Fungi, and fifth kingdom is Animalia. And no doubt our name of chapter is classification of plants. So we are going to study detail about the classification of plant, and in last standard you have studied the hierarchy of classification of living organism. So for the classification of plants, first hierarchy, that is the kingdom. So the kingdom Plantae. Kingdom Plantae. Kingdom means Srushti. Plantae means all the plants which are exist on the earth. How are classified? On which basis these plants are classified? We will discuss under this chapter, classification of plants. There is a question given in under the kingdom Plantae, that is, can you tell which are the special cell organelles that differentiate plant cells and animal cells? As you have studied detail the structure of plant cell and animal cell in last standard. Which cell organelle? Of course, the chloroplast and chlorophyll pigment is present in plant cell and is absent in animal cell. So this is the important cell organelle. Presence or absence of cell organelle is useful, or on that basis cells are differentiated, that is animal cell and plant cell. Means in the plants important cell organelle, that is the chloroplast, is present. And so depending upon the presence of cell organelle chloroplast, and as you have studied the structure and function of chloroplast in last standard, and this is very useful to define the plants or kingdom Plantae. मग पण हे कसं डिफाइन करू शकतो? प्लांट्स किंवा प्लांट्सची डेफिनेशन कशी करू शकतो? क्लोरोप्लास्ट प्रेझेंट आहे, म्हणजेच ते कसे आहेत? ग्रीन इन कलर. बरोबर. द लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझम विच आर ग्रीन इन कलर. ग्रीन कलर्ड आहे, क्लोरोप्लास्ट प्रेझेंट आहे. त्याचं फंक्शन काय आहे? सिंथेसाइज द food material, and those living organisms synthesize their own food material are called as autotrophic. बरोबर. जे स्वतःच अन्न स्वतः तयार करतात त्यांना आपण ऑटोट्रॉफिक म्हटलंय. मग डेफिनेशन मध्ये काय? द ऑर्गॅनिझम विच आर ऑटोट्रॉफिक. बरोबर. जे लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझम कसे आहेत? ऑटोट्रॉफिक आहे. विथ सेल वॉल. सेल स्ट्रक्चर मध्ये आपण पाहिलंय की त्याच्या भोवती काय आहे? सेल वॉल आहे. And which perform the process of photosynthesis with the help of chlorophyll pigment. The living organisms of kingdom Plantae are the main source of food for all living organisms. सगळ्या सजीवांसाठी वनस्पती हा अन्नाचा मुख्य स्रोत आहे. बघा, प्लांटची डेफिनेशन कशी करणार तुम्ही? द लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझम विच आर ऑटोट्रॉफिक ड्यू टू द प्रेझेन्स ऑफ chlorophyll pigment and are perform the process of photosynthesis. Such organisms are called as Plantae or the plants, and these all plants are the main source of food for all living organisms. In this way we can define the kingdom Plantae. Now we will going to discuss about the basis for classification of plants. Okay, we will discuss it in the next video. Thank you.